We are replacing the main shaft in this T56. I wanted to show you guys the old and the new and the reason why we're replacing it. So if you look closely here, you can see there is some wear on these splines. This is very common with the T56s. This is where the 5th 6 gear goes. And I believe it's the 5th gear that actually rides on it. So this is the 5th 6, and these splines in here go right there. Now this one is very worn. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It's, you know, maybe a little less than 50%, but the play with that 5th gear on there is just way too much, and pretty much warrants a new main shaft. A lot of them I see, they're like this, but they have a little bit more meat on the splines, and it honestly comes down to how the gear fits on the shaft, and this one is very loose. I'm going to slide this on here just to show you guys. Now this should be a press fit. I should not be able to slide it off with just my hands. And that's already a first sign that it's pretty worn. It's a nice close-up. And you can see all that movement on the splines. I mean, just imagine going down the road in 5th gear and this thing's loaded, and then you let off to coast. This thing's gonna snap back and forth when you're off and on the gas, and it's gonna rattle, might make a little bit of a growling noise. So this main shaft is worn out. I just cleaned it up a little bit. You can see it a little better.